Understanding tears streaming down, a guide to expressive English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very expressive phrase used in English, tears streaming down. This phrase is not just about crying. It's about painting a vivid picture of someone's emotional state. So, let's explore together and make your English even more expressive. When we say, tears streaming down, we're talking about a situation where someone is crying heavily. This isn't just a single tear or a quiet sob. It's when tears are pouring out in a continuous flow, much like a stream of water. This phrase powerfully conveys the intensity of the person's feelings, whether it's sadness, joy, relief, or any overwhelming emotion. You might use tears streaming down in narrative writing to describe a character's emotional breakdown or moment of catharsis. It's also common in everyday language when sharing stories of intense moments, be it personal experiences or movies that moved you. This phrase helps listeners or readers visualize and feel the depth of the emotion being described. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences to enhance your understanding. After hearing the news of her grandfather's passing, she sat by the window with tears streaming down her face. He watched the end of the movie with tears streaming down, moved by the story's powerful message. With tears streaming down, the athletes celebrated their hard-earned victory, overwhelmed by joy and relief. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different emotional contexts, making your language more dynamic and vivid. To expand your vocabulary, here are some similar expressions that also describe intense crying. Crying one's eyes out, sobbing uncontrollably, weeping bitterly. Each of these phrases adds a different shade of meaning and intensity to the act of crying, enriching your English expression. Tears streaming down is a powerful phrase that can help you express strong emotional moments in English. Whether you're writing a story, describing a movie, or sharing a personal experience, this phrase can bring your listeners or readers closer to the feelings you're trying to convey. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using tears streaming down more effectively in your English. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with us.